The story begins with an empty plot of land. A quiet morning breeze moves gently through tall grass as sunlight reveals a space filled with potential. A team of professionals arrives: architects, civil engineers, and surveyors. Each step is deliberate. Every decision is measured. The architect unfolds a set of detailed blueprints: a modern minimalist home, clean lines, open spaces, large glass panels, and a warm balance of concrete, steel, and natural wood. Before anything begins, the soil is analyzed. Moisture levels, density, drainage patterns, all are studied. Once approved, the land is cleared and leveled with precision. Heavy machines move slowly, pushing soil, compacting layers, and ensuring stability. Next comes staking, the exact outline of the future structure. Strings, stakes, lasers, and measuring tools align perfectly. Every centimeter matters. The episode ends with a silent, marked ground, a blank canvas ready to hold a dream.
At sunrise, construction begins. Workers prepare rebar frameworks, grid-like steel reinforcement that will form the skeleton of the foundation. Each steel bar is cut, bent, and tied by hand. Every connection ensures future strength. Concrete trucks arrive, one by one. The concrete is poured slowly, carefully, guided by experts who smooth every layer with precision. Vibrating tools remove any trapped air, preventing future cracks. Hours pass. The foundation takes shape. Over several days, the concrete cures, slowly gaining strength, becoming firm and unmovable. This process is not rushed. A strong home demands patience. Once cured, plumbers and electricians install the first underground utilities: water lines, drainage pipes, and conduits. These systems remain unseen once the house stands, but they are essential. The foundation now stands complete, solid, stable, and ready to support the structure above it.
Steel columns rise upward from the foundation, piece by piece. Beams are attached, forming a strong modern framework. The process is technical, precise, and methodical. Next, the walls are built. Inside, the space transforms. Walls are plastered smoothly until every surface feels seamless. Flooring materials are chosen carefully: modern, polished concrete, warm wood planks, or elegant stone tiles, depending on the room's function. Electricians install switches, outlets, and lighting fixtures. Plumbers complete bathrooms and kitchen systems with precision. Cabinetry is custom-built with clean, minimalist lines. Drawers slide silently. Hinges are concealed. The design is not loud. It is peaceful and intentional. Large windows are installed, allowing sunlight to flood the interior, creating harmony between indoor and outdoor spaces. Paint is applied in calming, neutral tones: white, gray, beige, capturing the essence of modern minimalism. Outside, pathways, garden areas, and terraces begin to take shape. The house is almost complete, but still needs final touches.
The final stage begins quietly. Every detail is inspected: corners, alignment, materials, fixtures. Anything imperfect is corrected. Smart home systems are tested: lighting automation, security cameras, temperature control, and water flow all must work seamlessly. The outdoor landscape is completed. Minimalist plants, clean stone arrangements, and soft lighting create a calm environment that complements the modern architecture. Finally, the facade is cleaned. Glass panels gleam, Surfaces reflect the soft afternoon light. The architect returns, calm, proud, and satisfied. A dream that once lived only on paper now stands strong, stable, and beautiful. The door opens for the first time, smoothly, silently. The home is complete. Modern, minimalist, strong, real.